you know, we're going into that time of year where everybody's finances, well, they go through the ringer, right? It's that crunch time of year. So we're gonna go through some really easy tips today just to be mindful of. And some of these, Alexa, are good all year round, not just around the holidays, right?
That's absolutely right. Thanksgiving Thursday. Now we're in all of your really important Thanksgiving week tips. And so people always say, should I really be shopping on actual Thanksgiving? And with the entire creep of, Black Friday, it actually now hits on Thursday. And there's a few items that from last year, we did very thorough research, that for sure is going to be less expensive. And it's going to be your smartphones, your tablets, your speakers, and your headphones will, we predict, be less expensive this Thursday. So if that's what you need, go on Thursday. So then we get to Black Friday. And so here's the big thing. Black Friday, we all know, it's your doorbuster sales. It's when the stores will pretty much do anything to get you in there, including the big ticket items. So things like your televisions, your laptops, your appliances.
Right.
Stores will actually lose money on them, Rachel, to get us to
They're loss leaders.
They're loss leaders to get us to walk in the store. So if those are the items you need, do those on Friday. And then down here you can see are a ton of the kids' toys. So those also, since they fly off the shelves, and there's every year there's the hot item, and I now know since I have so many kids, as you keep joking, you want to get those on Friday before they're actually hard to find, just to make your life easy. And then Cyber Monday, I love Cyber Monday for all the reasons you were just saying, which is you can do it from anywhere, from your office, from the comfort of your own home, from your mobile phone. And this, as we know, it's just inventory you don't have to worry about because it's online. And so this has been two big items you should look for. So it's first your smaller items, things like your beauty products, shoes, and clothing. And then also travel. So airfare and hotels are discounted on Monday. So if you are planning in advance for the holidays, Christmas, etc., start looking at your discounts. But this is how you strategically
Travel
shop.
Monday.
Travel Monday.
Just before you have Cocktail Tuesday.